you can quickly create new batches by making a copy of an existing batch, making repetitive entry faster. From any Edit Batches function, you can select one or more batches to copy, and they do not have to be consecutive. Similarly, within a batch, you can select one or more entries to copy. Whichever you choose, click the Copy button to start the process. If you choose to move the batches or entries, in addition to creating new records, the original records will be deleted. Deselect the Move Batch option to maintain the original batch entries. To swap all of the debit and credit detail amounts for the newly created entries, select the Reverse Entries option. You may want the new batch to have all details with a particular date. Enable the Revise Date Fields option to make this change, and choose the desired date here. To update the fiscal period for each new entry, turn on the Revise Period option, and then you can select which period to set for all entries. To set the fiscal period based on detail dates, rather than universally for all new entries, instead select Recalculate Period based on date. This works whether you choose to revise the dates or leave as they are. Batch details contain text information for a reference and 2 descriptions. If you want all new details to have particular information in one or more of these fields, choose the respective fields to revise. If you do not want to modify the field information, leave the checkbox unselected. To find the name of the newly created batch here, or leave this option unselected to keep the name from the original batch. Choose the batch type to define where the new batch will be created, either as an archive batch, a current year batch, or a next fiscal year batch if it has been opened. The new entries can be copied to a brand new batch or appended to an existing batch. If you select multiple batches or entries to copy, an additional option, Multiple New Batches, is available to keep each separated. Otherwise, all selected batches or entries will be combined into the single selected location. When all the desired options are selected, click OK to create your new entries in the desired location. Edit the newly created batch to see that all of the entries will have the fiscal period defined as was selected or calculated, and all of the details will have updated dates, references, and descriptions as selected. Maintain or correct batches easily by copying or moving, saving you time from tedious re-entry. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.